Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to report a Facebook post. I'm going to show you first on my desktop computer and then over on my mobile. So what you want to do is log into Facebook, find the post that you want to report. Once you found that post, there will be three dots right here in the upper right corner of that specific post. Click on those three dots and then you will see a bunch of different options. You then want to go to report post right here. It's not going to let that user know that you reported it or why you reported it. Then you need to go through and select the problem with the post. Is it nudity, violence, harassment, etc. or something else? You go through here and you just select the option in which you think that it is. Then it basically explains what that topic would be or what would fall under that report type. And then you would click the blue button that would then submit it, and then it would be turned over to Facebook to then either remove even not just the post, maybe even that user if it is egregious enough. Now over here on mobile, as you can see, I am logged into Facebook. Scrolling through my Facebook feed, we are going to see three dots in the upper right hand corner every single Facebook post. If we tap into these three dots, we are gonna have bunch of different options available to us. Next, we need to go down where we see report post, tap into report post. It's then going to bring up different reasons as to why you should report a post on Facebook: nudity, violence, harassment, things such as that. Go ahead and tap into that one that you think basically categorize this post. It will then give you an explanation of what this reporting thing is about, making sure you are honest and you are not just reporting because you don't like someone. And then you tap on blue submit button and then it's turned over to Facebook. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.